Ergonomic handle design. The handle provides more leverage with an ergonomic hand hold, and an out grip for the opposite hand for more control and pressure. Easily removes burned, caked on residue. The wide stainless steel blade removes burnt caked on foods with fewer strokes, removing even the toughest stuck on food or grime. Splash guard protects hands. The splash guard prevents residue from splashing upward during cleaning and keeps oil and debris off your hands. 6-inch stainless steel blade. The 6-inch stainless steel blade easily scrapes away cooked debris with fewer strokes and less effort. Durable and easy to clean. The Griddle Scrapper's durable design means it can withstand the toughest scraping use after use. Simply rinse under water and scrub with a sponge if necessary, and it's ready to again and again. Easily remove burned, caked on residue from your griddle with a Cuisinart heavy-duty Griddle Scraper. The ergonomic design has an easy grip handle, allowing you to place more pressure on the stainless steel blade for a better clean. Splash guard to prevent residue from splashing upward during cleaning. Features: 7 essential tools for griddle cooking: vertical bar 2 elongated multifunctional spatulas with bottle openers, vertical bar 2 squirt bottles for water, oil or sauces, vertical bar 2 perfect egg making rings, vertical bar griddle scraper for cleaning. Top reviews from the United States. Wished I had bought this much sooner. This review is for the Cuisinart Griddle Food Mover. I wish I bought this scoop much sooner. It makes getting my food off the griddle fast and easy. Works great with veggies, fried rice or any food that has a lot of smaller ingredients. A few scoops and the food is in the container or on the serving tray. It's sturdy and constructed well. The handle is comfortable to hold. It's easy to clean/wash. For the price, it's a no-brainer for any griddle owner.